हेलो व्यूअर्स, कैसे हैं आप? ठीक हैं? सो yesterday I think discussed about biology portion as in a post paper of 2023, and today we are going to start post paper of 2023 chemistry portion. Okay, so conducted by PMDC according previous syllabus. Okay. सो जैसे कि आप जानते होंगे कि मैंने जो है आपके लिए एक गेटवे जो स्टार्ट किया था, आई थिंक 2024 से। ओके, सो उनके लिए भी काफ़ी सारे मैंने टेस्ट्स करवाई थी। आई थिंक कुछ ऑनलाइन मॉक टेस्ट थी, काफ़ी सारे सिलेबस थे जो इस चैनल पे मैंने प्रोवाइड किए थे, और काफ़ी स्टूडेंट की अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उसकी जो है काफ़ी जो है स्टूडेंट की सिलेक्शन भी हुई थी 2024 में। ओके, सो आई थिंक कुछ पास पेपर थे जो प्रीवियस ईयर से, आई थिंक 2022 एंड 2021 एंड 2022 2023। ओके, सो उनके अकॉर्डिंग जो भी पास पेपर थे, आई थिंक 2021 के भी। ओके, सो जो भी थे अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वो मैंने कंप्लीट करवाए थे, वो अभी भी मेरे चैनल पे पड़े हुए हैं। अगर किसी को भी चाहिए तो वो देख सकता है। ओके, सो इट मीन्स वो अपनी प्रिपरेशन जो है वो कंटिन्यू कर सकता है। ओके, जैसे कि मैंने काफ़ी स्टूडेंट को कहा कि अपनी जो है लिमिट में एक टाइम टेबल बनाएं जो भी स्टडी को देना है। ओके, सो वो एक अलग सा टाइम टेबल वो भी मैंने आपके लिए वीडियो बनाई है। सो कभी टाइम मिले तो उसको भी ज़रूर देख लेना। ओके, so today we are going to start chemistry portion past paper, and 39 to 122. Okay, it means 54 MCQs past paper according to PMDC to past paper 2023, and this is very important for PMDC, and 2025 for MDCAD conduct the exam by PMDC. Okay, सो जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा था कि आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया। आई थिंक कोई न्यू स्टूडेंट हो जिसने कभी भी मेरे चैनल पे कोई लेक्चर नहीं सुना, तो काइंडली उसके लिए स्पेशली मेरी हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट होगी कि वो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके, लाइक एंड शेयर करके, फिर मुझे कोई इट मीन्स वो लेक्चर सुने, तो उसे ज़्यादा उसकी जो है हेल्प होगी। इट मीन्स ये लाइक एंड शेयर जो सब्सक्राइबर है वो आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट रखता है, क्योंकि आपको जो है न्यू अपडेट आती रहेगी। जैसे आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करेंगे, लाइक एंड शेयर नहीं करेंगे, तो आपको ये नेक्स्ट वीडियो जो होगी वो आपको इट मीन्स आप तक नहीं पहुँचेगी। ओके, सो बिना देर कीजिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो 69 पे लिखा हुआ है the which of the following reaction can be used for the conversion of the ethyl alcohol into acetaldehyde. So this is the correct option is dehydrogenation. Okay, then 70 which of the following is formed when excesses of ethyl alcohol is treated with the considered H2SO4 at the low temperature. This is the diethyl ether. Okay, another 71 which of the following will give the ideal form reaction on the treatment with the Na2 or CO3. Okay, and I2, this is the correct option is acetone. Okay, another the question number 72, which of the following is the formed when formaldehyde is treated with the oxidizing mixture H2SO4 plus K2 Cr2O7. This is the correct option is a methanoic acid. Okay, another point 73 जैसे कि dry distillation of the which of the following can be done to produce acetone, also which the acetate are formulated and acid this is the dry distillation of which of following can be done to produce acetone. This is the calcium acetate. Okay. Another point, the elimination between the ethyl halide and a strong base take place by two mechanism E1 and E2. How many steps are involved in each one of these? This is the E1 elimination is a two step, another the E2 is the one step. Okay, so जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि E1 elimination में जो है second step use होता है and in E2 the one step is used, okay, by the elimination between the alkyl halide and strong base take place by the two mechanism. This is the first mechanism is the E1 and another mechanism is the E2. Okay. Another point, 75, which of the following is an example of it, tertiary alkyl halide. So tertiary alkyl halide is having in a 2 bromo and 2 methyl butane, not the 2 chlorobutane and one of the 1 chlorobutane and 2 bromo 3 methyl butane. So only the example of tertiary alkyl halide and which is 2 bromo and 2 methyl butane. Okay. Another point, which is 76 MCQ, and radius of the false orbit of the hydrogen is 0.53 degree at which are oh sorry 76 radian. Okay, radian of the false orbit of the hydrogen is a 0.53 degree, which orbit has a radius of this is the third. Okay, 4.77 degree. This is the third. Another point, number 77, which of the following is had only orientation in space in the magnetic field. This is the s orbital. जो हमने जो orientation को it means show करता है. This is the s orbital. In a magnetic field, this is the s orbital. Another point, which of the and what is the mass of one portion. One proton is equal to 1836 electron, not the electron is a position, and the electron and 1836 neutron. So only the mass of one proton is equal to 1836 electrons. Okay. And another point, the 79, which are the following is a different, and sodium Z11 equal to Z11 and magnesium plus 2 Z equal to 12 and aluminum plus 3 Z equal to 13. This is the not the shell and only the number of proton. Okay. Another point, 18 MCQ 80. Okay, what is the IPEC mass name of the stearic acid? So stearic acid having I2 IPEC name, not other name, only this is the octadenic acid. Another point, 81, the which of the following the form when acetone is oxidized. This is the having acid, that acid is known as ethanoic acid. So only ethanoic acid is used as a form when acetone is oxidized. Okay, and not other the reason. So only this is reason of the ethanoic acid. Another point, 82, what is the IPEC name of B B dimethyl valeric acid? This is the 2.2,3 dimethyl pentonic acid. Another point, what is the volume oxygen at STP required to burn 500 dm cube of ethene. So in which 1500 dm cube in ethene is required for STP. Another point, 84. Okay, so valence shell electronic configuration of an element is 4s 2, 4s 1 and 2. What group does the element belong? So this is the third day. Another point, 85, calcium Z equal to 20 forms ionic bond with zinc equal to 17. What is the chemical formula of 1 point calcium chloride? So this is the calcium chloride. Okay, so आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, आई थिंक जो भी न्यू स्टूडेंट होगा और उन्होंने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब चैनल को नहीं किया होगा एंड लाइक एंड शेयर भी नहीं किया होगा, तो काइंडली मेरी हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट होगी कि न्यू स्टूडेंट के लिए, सो क्योंकि उसके लिए एक बेहतर गेटवे है ये एमडी कैट को क्लियर करने का, सो ये मौका कभी भी अपने हाथों से ज़ाया मत करें। ओके, उसके बाद आपको जो भी न्यू आई मीन कोई वीडियो अपलोड होगा तो वो आप तक जो है पहुंच जाएगा। ओके, another point 86, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide are the two compounds. So which of the following best describe these two compounds? Another, the first is the carbon dioxide, the linear and the non-polar, and sulfur dioxide is the angular but polar. sulfur dioxide जो है वो polar तो होता है लेकिन angular स्ट्रक्चर में होता है, not the linear structure. So carbon dioxide is a linear and non-polar. Okay, ये आपको याद रखना है एज एन previous year past paper 2023 is a most and repeated MCQ according to PMDC. Okay, and another point is that the 87 what hybridization is present on a carbon atom in the ethine C2H2. This is the sp hybridization. Another point 82 as 88, which of the following reaction has the same value of Kc and Kp? So Kp and Kc का value जो same होता है, I think H2 plus 1 H2 plus I2 segregated to Hi. Okay, another point 89, which of the following condition required for maximum yield of ammonia through Haber process? So this is the decreasing temperature. So having Haber process having ammonia, that main role is a decreasing temperature. Another point, which of the following is a true for reversible reaction at equilibrium? The rate of forward reaction is a greater than backward reaction. This is not. Another point, the correct option is C. The rate of backward reaction is equal to forward reaction. This is the equilibrium reaction is a true reversible. Not true reversible, not false reversible, not false irreversible. So only true for reversible reaction at equilibrium point. The rate of backward reaction is equal to forward reaction. Do you understand? Okay. Another point, when benzene react with the isopropyl chloride and in the presence of aluminum chloride as Lewis acid, the product formed is isopropyl benzene. What is this reaction is called as a Frederick-Krop alkylations. Okay, another point, benzene is subjected to 1 alkylation, 2 nitration, 3rd oxidation. The product of ortho nitro or nitrobenzoic acid and para nitrobenzoic, ortho nitrobenzoic acid and para nitrobenzoic acid. Okay, another point 93, isopropyl chloride is an example of secondary alkyl halide. Another point, जैसे कि 94, oxidation of toluene by camenophore, the product of benzoic acid. Another point 95, what is the IUPAC name of chloroform? So trichloromethane is the IUPAC name of chloroform. So this is the very repeated MCQ according PMDC. Another point 96, which of the following products produce malic acid, malic anhydride on oxidation of benzene? And 97, what is the oxidation number of magnesium in camenophore? K2MnO4 is the +6. मैग्नीज की जो ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर होती है वो +6 होती है, क्रोमियम की +7 होती है। In electrochemical series, what is the electrode potential of all methyl above hydrogen? This is the negative. Another point, 99 organic compound are classified into open chain and closed chain compound. And 100 MCQ of a chemistry post paper 2023. Which of the following are the three isomer of pentane? And pentane to methyl butane 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane. Okay. Another, which type of isomerism can propanol and acetone exhibit? So this is the functional group isomerism. 102 graph of volume versus total pressure at constant temperature is called non-linear. Another 103, one atom of nitrogen is at 25 degree. Its pressure has increased to 2 atom at 50 degree. Volume will change from 1 dm cube to 0.54 to dm cube. Okay. Another 104, which of the following temperature is referred to as the absolute zero? This is the minus 273.16 degree. Another MCQ 105, an organic compound has C equal 14%, less than H is equal to 6.67% and 0.0 equal 53.3%. What is the empirical formula for the compound? This is the CH2O. Another 7.6 gram of CS2 is reacted with the 12.8 gram of oxygen, CS2, 3O2, CO2, 2SO2. Limited reaction is CS2. Another MCQ 107, water rises in capillary tube because of adhesive force of molecule exceed cohesive force. Okay. And 108, which of the following influence the variation of temperature at which boiling point liquid take place? So this is the outside the pressure. Another MCQ 109, enzymes show optimum activity between 37 degree to 50 degree. It however the loose activity permanently above 50 degree. Another MCQ 110, oxidation of secondary propyl alcohol gives, जो हमें ऑक्सीडेशन की जाती है सेकेंडरी प्रोपाइल अल्कोहल की, नॉट प्राइमरी अल्कोहल प्राइमरी प्रोपाइल अल्कोहल की. सो ये देते हैं हमें एसीटोन, not acetaldehyde, not ethyl alcohol. So oxidation of secondary propyl alcohol gives acetone. Another, which of the following is an amino acid? This is the aspartic acid. What is the order of reaction if the unit of K is second minus 1? Which of the following best describe the ionic reaction of inorganic compound? This is the very fast. Inorganic compound जो होते हैं वो ionic reaction जो होता है वो basically ज़्यादा होता है as compared to organic compound से. Another metallic property in a group of p block element has a trend decreases. Another superoxide of group 1 element M formula is MO2. Another 116, which pair of the element magly differ from outer membrane of the respective group? This is the lithium and beryllium. Another, which of the following is a covalent crystal is the diamond? The nature of attraction which a whole molecule crystal is van der Waals forces. Another 119, what is the mathematical statement of the first law of thermodynamics? Is the delta E equal to Q minus W. Another, what is the delta H equal to Z according to the first law of thermodynamics? This is the delta E plus P delta V. Another 121, why to transition element from interstitial compound. This is the holes present in crystal lattice of transition element. So this is the reason of transition element from interstitial compound. Okay, and the last one MCQ for past paper of chemistry, PMDC 2023, and very important for MDCAT 2025, conduct by the conduct will the PMDC. Okay, so last one, the linkage the ethylene triamine is an example of dry triodenate. Okay, so linkage होता है डाइथाइलिन ट्राइमीन ट्राइमाइन इज एग्जांपल होता है ट्राइडिनेट का. ओके, सो ये थे हमारे पास केमिस्ट्री का पोर्शन. सो अनदर इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हमने जो है फिजिक्स का पोर्शन आपको सॉल्व करवाना है. सो देखेंगे उसमें कौन से एमसीक्यूज आए थे, कौन से पोस्ट पेपर के हिसाब से जो पेपर का पैटर्न बनाया गया था. ओके, तो ये आपको मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. पहले हमने बायोलॉजी का पोर्शन आपको सॉल्व करवाया था, उसके बाद अनदर ये जो है केमिस्ट्री का. मुझे उम्मीद है आपको समझ में आ चुका होगा. ओके, सो आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल पे जो भी न्यू है, अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, लाइक एंड शेयर नहीं किया, तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक एंड शेयर करें, ताकि जो भी आने वाली न्यू अपडेट हो वो आपको बरसगीर अपने टाइम पे आपको मिल सके. ओके, मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू, बेस्ट ऑफ लक.